A warm welcome to you, dear viewer, on the Flavour Fit YouTube channel. This is your trusted platform for exploring the culinary world, where food meets nutrition and taste meets health. As we embark on this flavorful journey together, let's dive into the ocean of knowledge about two popular seafood choices, tuna and sardines. Imagine, if you will, two aquatic gladiators preparing for a battle of nutrition. Tuna, the heavyweight, and sardines, the agile underdog. These two contenders hail from the same watery arena, but they bring unique strengths to the table. Tuna steps into the ring touting an impressive resume of protein power. This heavyweight contender is known for its lean, muscular build, providing a robust source of protein that's sure to satisfy even the most voracious of appetites. On the other hand, we have sardines, the nimble and quick underdog. While they may lack the sheer size of tuna, sardines pack a punch in the form of omega-3 fatty acids, a critical nutrient known for promoting heart health and reducing inflammation. Both fighters are also equipped with a respectable arsenal of vitamins and minerals. Sardines come clad in armor of calcium and vitamin E, while tuna wields a sturdy shield of vitamin K. However, both contenders are known to carry a hefty dose of sodium, a double-edged sword that can bolster taste, but may raise questions about heart health. But who will triumph in this nutritional face-off? Let's delve deeper. First up, tuna, a true protein powerhouse. This is no fishtail, folks. With its high protein content, tuna offers an excellent source of lean protein to fuel your body's needs. Not only is it packed with protein, but tuna is also a superb source of vitamin K, a key nutrient for your body's overall health. Now, this is not just your ordinary protein-packed food. Tuna's protein is of high quality, easy to digest, and ideal for muscle building and recovery. But will tuna's protein power be enough to secure victory? Let's see what sardines bring to the table. Enter sardines, the reigning champion of omega-3 fatty acids. These small but mighty morsels are swimming with health benefits. Not only are they an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for heart health, they also pack a punch with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant, and calcium, essential for bone health. In the blue corner we have tuna, and in the green corner sardines. Though smaller in size, sardines are not to be underestimated. Impressive, right? But there's a twist in this tale. Both contenders have a hidden adversary, sodium. Tuna and sardines, despite being nutritionally dense, share a common trait. They are high in sodium. Now, why should we care? Well, excessive sodium intake can strain our kidneys and increase the risk of cardiovascular disease. It's like a silent storm in the ocean of our bodies, capable of causing havoc if not kept in check. So as we navigate the waters of choosing between these two fish, it's essential to consider the sodium factor. So who emerges victorious in this sea battle? The battle has been intense, with both contenders showcasing their strengths. Tuna, the protein powerhouse, and sardines, the omega-3 champion, both come with their unique benefits. However, they also share a high sodium content. So, whether it's the protein punch of tuna or the omega-3 richness of sardines that you seek, remember to balance it with your dietary needs and sodium intake. The choice, dear viewer, is entirely yours. We hope this nutritional face-off has brought some clarity to your seafood selection. Remember, the choice between tuna and sardines isn't just about taste. It's about aligning your food choices with your health goals. Every bite counts. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey. Don't forget to subscribe to Flavour Fit for more engaging content. Until next time, stay fit and keep exploring flavors.